Hello everyone, welcome to Easy English Daily. I know how it feels to want to speak English but feel stuck. There was a time when I knew the words, but I couldn't speak. My hands would shake, my voice would disappear. I stayed quiet in class. I smiled and nodded, but inside, I wanted to speak. One day, I said only one sentence, just one. I want to learn English. That small sentence changed everything. So today, let's say one sentence, then one more. And together, we'll grow your English, step by step. Let's begin. Part 1 Daily Routine English. Repeat after me. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I drink warm water every morning. I take a shower and get ready. I comb my hair and wear clean clothes. I eat my breakfast quickly. I leave the house at 8 o'clock. I go to work or school. I come home in the evening. I eat dinner with my family. I relax and read a book. I go to bed around 10 o'clock. You're doing great. Let's continue. Part 2 Self-talk and confidence practice. Repeat after me. I am learning English every day. I speak with confidence and clarity. I am not afraid to make mistakes. I am proud of my progress. I believe in myself. I enjoy speaking English. My English is getting better every day. I grow through practice. I will keep going. I can do this. My English is getting better every day. I grow through practice. I will keep going. I can do this. Three common conversations and phrases. Hi, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. What's your name? My name is Raj. Nice to meet you. Where are you from? I'm from India. What do you do? I'm a student. I work in a company. What are your hobbies? I like reading and drawing. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is biryani. You now know how to start simple conversations. Let's keep going. 4. Asking for help in public. Excuse me, can you help me? Where is the nearest ATM? I'm looking for a pharmacy. Is this the way to the train station? I need directions, please. Please speak slowly. I don't understand. Can you repeat that, please? Thank you for your help. I appreciate it. These are real-life phrases you can use anywhere. Part 5 at a shop or market. How much is this? Do you have this in another size? Can I try this on? I would like to buy this. Can I pay by card? Do you accept cash? This is too expensive. Can you give me a discount? That's all, thank you. Have a nice day. Excellent, you're learning practical English now. Part 6 talking about feelings. Repeat after me. I feel happy today. I'm a little tired. I feel excited about tomorrow. I'm nervous, but that's okay. I am calm and peaceful. Today is a good day. I feel more confident than yesterday. I am doing my best. I am proud of how far I've come. Every day is a new beginning. Let's keep the energy going. Part 7 on the phone. Repeat after me. Hello, who is speaking? This is Mira. Can I speak to Rahul, please? Just a moment, I'll check. He's not available right now. Can you call back later? Please leave a message. I'll call you tomorrow. Thank you for calling. Talk to you soon. Now you're ready for phone conversations too. Part 8 while traveling or commuting. Repeat after me. Where is the nearest bus stop? How far is the train station? I would like to book a ticket. Is there a seat available? When does the next train arrive? How long is the journey? Is this seat taken? I'm getting off at the next stop. I'm traveling alone. I love visiting new places. Perfect. Travel becomes easier with English. Part 9 talking about yourself. Repeat after me. My name is Aisha. I am 25 years old. I live in Pune. I have 2 brothers. My mother is a teacher. I work as a designer. I love listening to music. I want to learn English for my career. I practice speaking every day. I'm getting better every week. Let's now boost your mindset. Part 10 Powerful Affirmations. Repeat after me. I am not afraid to speak English. I trust my progress. I learn from every mistake. I speak English clearly and confidently. English is a skill, and I am learning it. I enjoy expressing myself. I believe in my ability to grow. My voice is powerful. I am enough. I am consistent. I am successful. I am becoming fluent. Say these phrases again and again, every day. They build your confidence and your fluency. You've just spoken English for almost 10 minutes. That's a big step. You are no longer a beginner. You are on your journey to fluency. Fluency is not about being perfect. It's about practice. It's about showing up. And today, you showed up. Use this video every day. Practice with your voice. Let your mouth get used to English sounds. Soon, you won't just speak English. You will feel comfortable in English. This is your moment. This is your journey. And I'm proud of you. Welcome to Easy English Daily. Let's grow together, one sentence at a time.